Do this. All right, let's get right into it. Gaga, I think you're sharing your screen now. Happy New Week, guys. But boy, Gaga, are you there?
Yeah. I'm trying to share my screen.
Okay, no problem.
Can stick you over to the side. Mhm. All right, awesome. So, for NU, I
Okay.
what's happening here? This is took this trade last week. So just a 1-to-1. I was trying to pass. I haven't got to 1-to-8. Okay, so let me just should I want to take this? Let's see. So yeah, we have this here and we have this here. Okay, so for let me see here. Okay, beautiful. Mm, mm. So I'll be waiting for a pullback here. Once I get a closure below, I'll sell for NU. For silver, same thing. Once I get a pullback here, I will sell.
Mhm.
For gold, this was a masterclass last week. Um, Took two positions on this one here and here. And yeah, so what is left here now? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so we're waiting for a pullback here. We're waiting for a pullback here. Mhm. Um, it's selling here. Let's see. Here. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I'll be waiting for that. GB card. I was buying GB card last week, but then we had this in impulsive pullback, so I think we're changing to a downtrend. It's like a double top, so I've had my 1, 2, 3, just need to come back here. If it comes back here, I will be selling. So this hits SL last week. Um, um, yeah, so that's good for a pullback here, and then so that could possibly be the start of a downtrend. So we'll see. GJ, same thing, same thing. I was buying, and then the positive move down. So again, look for price to come back here.
Okay.
Let's see, do I have what I have used? What time frame was I looking at? This in 30 minutes. Okay, so let's see something. So this is what I have.
Good.
Yeah.
Behind you, I think she was going good.
So idea would be for price to come here and then some. So this is what I'll be waiting for is GG. GA. GA. What happened? On this one, I didn't take this trade because this was, I was kind of busy. This was just when I was getting into the house, and then there was never a pullback to this entry. So I didn't take this, but this would have been, yeah, that would have been the trade. So I'm just going to wait for price to come back here.
It's
I might
calling.
be tempted to do a counter sales here because price could just really drop here because there's like a resistance on here. So we will see. Maybe I'll drop down to like lower time frames and just see if I can get like a double top somewhere around here. So,
Okay, makes sense. That makes sense. I don't know. I was getting a call. I don't know who that's. I don't have this number.
but in the main, on the higher time frame, used to be what I'll be waiting for a pullback here. This one is just if I'm active or so, which I doubt because I have activities later today. But yeah, so this is the price I'm looking at. One, two, three, four, five, six. Yep,
Mm.
that's it from me.
It makes sense. No, six, at least it's not like you must take the six, obviously. No, so it's all good. Let me quickly share my screen because I'll just go through the pairs I had from last week. I didn't actually take a trade last week. In all honesty, I just had a trade I was holding from 2 weeks ago, which was this pair EA. So, yeah, EA was the only trade I was on, which was from the previous week, actually 2 weeks ago, actually. So something I held over the weekend, and it eventually still took me out, to be honest. I don't know what's happening here. I don't want to say I'm not interested. I'm still interested in it. As you can see, this was, yeah, actually, that is very sad though. It's a short something, but it's okay. I'm still interested in the pair. Let me see what it looks like on 4 hours. Yeah, I'll just wait for a pullback. I'll just wait for a pullback and yeah. UGBP, I think I wanted to sell this pair. I don't know what. Okay, even if I wanted to sell, the market didn't really make any major move. So it's still valid, but I don't know. I'll come back to it. GU, okay, amazing. Yeah, I wanted to sell this. Like I said, I kind of like just zoned out last week. I think also EA was one of the reasons why I just kind of was not looking at the market again because it took a while for it to hit stop loss. It took, I think it was to like Wednesday or so. I'm not really sure, but it took a long while and I didn't want to be overexposed. But GU looks good actually. Like uh, what I was expecting it to do or what I wanted it to do. He eventually did it, but obviously I wasn't interested at the time. Looking at this pair, I don't know if I should still show interest. If it can make a pullback back to this area, then I'm up for it. I'll just take it from here, basically. So it's what my only concern now is more like the trade has already happened. That is just the only thing. It's like waiting for this same thing that happened last week to repeat itself, pull back and come back here. And I don't know if that makes any sense. ADCHF. This pair. Yeah, I know. Okay. Back to like that initial entry point. Okay, I don't want to say because of maybe the pair took me out maybe last 3 weeks or so, I should not be interested again. I like this actually. In fact, this is my top pair for the week. Let me just take it up. I like it. It doesn't look bad in all honesty. Um, GBP Whoosh. This is it's just going and going and going. That's very low. Wow. Just one week candle engulfed 1, 2, 3, almost 4 weeks. Ha, that's interesting. Huh. I think for now I'm most interested in that pair. AU, I've been calling these cells beautiful left head, right shoulder, but obviously I didn't take it for last week. It wasn't one of my top pairs. Uh, uh, uh. It looks good, to be honest. It looks good. It looks good. Weekly. Hmm. Hmm. Actually looks good. Okay. Let me see. Let me see something from here. I need to clear most of my charts. I don't know. Think is jump up at the moment. Whoosh. Okay, fine. I want to see what it looks like on the daily as well. Yeah, actually, this is lovely. Yeah, I like how it looks. So I just need a pullback and continuation, and I'll be selling you. Looks good. The only problem I'll face here likely is where would I pull my TP? Okay, that is low, yeah, yeah, somewhere around here. Yeah, okay. Let me take GN, NZDJPY. Hmm, 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 hmm. Are you ready now? Hmm. And this is the crazy thing about the market. So like now, see this huge engulfing, this bullish engulfing, and the following week it produces another engulfing, but still, I don't think I'm even interested anymore. I think I'll just wait. Although it's not, it doesn't look bad to be honest, but yeah, I'll just wait. It's still the same area I've been looking for now. I'm interested. GP card. Hmm. 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 Good. And the US. Ooh. That's, wow. What should I be looking for here now? Except just a pullback to the AOI and continuation, but oh my days, this is outrageous. Mm-hmm. Who? It's like, is it on Friday? Okay, NFP. I was now wondering, this one that, when the all these candles form, because market, I was looking at the market as it was kind of slow. Hmm, 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 not bad actually. Hmm, hmm. What did you say was your bias for GA? Are you buying GA?
You come, let me check.
Sorry?
You come, let me check. I said, yeah, my higher time frame bias was buying. I said I could possibly scalp and double top.
Hmm. Doesn't look bad for me. Oh. I'm looking at even doing the two, either buy, sell, or I don't even know. Hmm. Oh, what? I'll just keep a close eye on this. I won't take it. I'll just wait and see. Normally, I've loved to, if I can break above here, if you can trade above this zone, then I'll buy it. I'll buy it if that is the case. UVCHF, UVCHF, this pair is still stopped in this area. Weekly is very much very daily. Mhm, mhm. Actually, this doesn't look bad. Actually, this does not look bad. This looks very nice. I like this. I like this. What is 4 hours doing? Yeah, I actually like this. This looks actually very good. I would like to buy this pair. I would like to buy. Yeah, I would like to buy this pair. I actually like this. It looks very, very, very good. So all I'm just going to wait for is candlestick confirmation and yeah, that is all. Um, UJ, nope. NZD card, nope. CHFJPY. Yeah, I think I saw this pair during the week. I'm doing it last week. And I'm like, oh, it's come back here again. So I'll just wait for a pullback if it will make that pullback because it already had the break pullback and even still gave engulfing. So if you can just make a little pullback up again, maybe even if it's around here, I'll just take the sell. Oh, perfect. Come back to this area and put my stop loss a little bit above this structure points here. Yeah. And that I actually took a similar trade, yeah, exactly, on this same area. Maybe TP might just be a little bit, yeah, somewhere around here. Mm-hmm. GJ. I think JPY is most of them, they don't look bad actually from what I saw last week. Well, I think for now I'll just look for the one I can resonate with more. Are you trading gold this week? No.
Well, I don't know. It's on my watch list. I don't know if I'm trading it this week.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Actually, not bad. I think ADJPY. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. So, wait, this is the all-time high. Eh? Wow. So nothing on this side. Okay. Interesting. I didn't actually know. Hmm. When it gets to the all-time high. Oh, perfect. Okay, I'm going to use this as, let me just clone this move here. So I just hope this will be a replica of what happened here is what is going to happen here when it is at the all-time high. Let me see another time in the past. Similar engulfing week on the weekly, similar engulfing on the weekly. Okay. And the following week, yeah, I just continued. Obviously I don't I'm not the market, but if this same move that happened here can happen here, then I'm down for it. And it wow, it went okay, okay. So somewhere around here. So yeah, I actually like this AD JPY. I actually like it. What I was just waiting for is just a pullback and I'll be selling from this area. maybe to this area. I don't know. I don't want to try myself. But yeah, I actually like this. It doesn't look bad at all. Let me see how it looks on the 4 hours. Yeah, or maybe even if it goes a little bit higher, maybe to this area, maybe just to retest this structure point here, then reject, maybe engulfing or something, then I'll just take the trade depending on how it does. Yeah, I think this is the last pair I'll be looking at, so I don't want to waste my time. So yeah, ADCHF, practically the same thing I've been looking for. UAUD, I will send this one down. UGPY, please, GPP rather, go away first. GBP yeah, I like this one. ADUSD, it might take a while to happen. UAD, so it's NZD, same NZD might take a while. ADJPY, okay, go up. CHFJPY, go up. GBP yeah, it might take a while. So GNU okay, so GA, yeah, I said I'll take GA only if, yeah, okay, fine. So let me be sure what I'm looking at is correct. Okay, it's quite a lot though. Anyways, technically what I'm looking at here basically for the week is UPCHF buys, ADCHF. I'm going to sell this pair. It's practically the same thing I've been looking for since. So CHFJPY sells. I just want to pull back and continuation. This is amazing left head, right shoulder. I need a retest of the neckline, and that is all I'll be looking for. So CHFJPY sells, ADJPY. I think this comes first. Then UADs, I'm just going to this. I just have top four pairs actually. This GBP, CHF, AUD. Oh, wait, everything is CHF, AUDJPY, and CHF JPY basically. UAUD, AUD, USD, NZD, USD, and GBP, AUD. For me, I think they'll take a while for them to happen, so I'll just leave them there. If none of these four plays, whatever I wanted to do doesn't happen during the week, then I'll keep more I'll pay more attention to these other pairs. Yeah, well, because for me, this move to me has already happened indirectly. But if I wanted to do the same move again, how many pips is this? Let me just check. There's like going 92 pips up, then going back 92 pips down. That I don't know if that makes sense, but let's see as it goes if that can happen. But aside that, these are my top four pairs. These ones here. The many other four on the bottom are just going to see if it will play out like that, basically. So yeah. So my guy, wishing you blues as usual. Have a positive week ahead. All the best, my G. You there?
Blues too. Blues.
Yeah, yeah, W's in the fucking charts. W's. Have a blue week, my guy. We shall see on Wednesday or on Sunday in next week. I'll be rather in the week. So talk to you later. Bye bye.